Hello, I am Don. In this video, I'm gonna show how to add footnotes into a Word document in Microsoft Word. So here, I got a APA formatted Word document, and as you can see, there is a main big heading for this document, and there are two big paragraphs which are formatted in APA style. Also, it's evident that there is something missing at the bottom of the screen. Guess what? Yes, that's our footnote. So footnotes are the notes placed at the bottom of a page and cite references or comments on designated part of the text above it. Also commonly used by writers to cite other authors' publication in a document. So let's get started. So as you can see at the top, there are lots of options are provided in Microsoft Word. For inserting a footnote, we need to select Reference tab. Once you navigate to the Reference tab, you need to select Insert Footnote option under that tab. So once you click it, it's gonna directly jump you to the bottom of the screen where you can add your footnote for this specific document. So now it's time to enter the footnote. So here I'm gonna type my name and student number as a footnote since I am the author of this document. So here I'm gonna type my name Don and my last name Scooty following with my student number. Okay, so here I just ended my footnote, and once I enter the footnote, we need to save that. Okay, so once you save that, it's officially turned out to be a footnote for the specific document. So there we go, and this is how to insert a footnote in a Word document in Microsoft Word. Thank you.